Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little bit different video. I'm going to do an unboxing of this new 5060 Ti from Zotac Gaming. It's got 8 gigs of GDDR7. It's got the Ice Storm 2.0, the FreezeTech technology, as well as the Firestorm. Twin Edge Overclock Edition. Flipping on the back, it says, "To gaming and beyond, Ice Storm 2.0 Advanced GPU Cooling. Firestorm, a refined UI for easy and intuitive GPU tuning and monitoring. FreezeTech, so the fans stop when the GPU is idle. Blade Link fans, stronger and quieter spin, steady airflow. Key features: dedicated ray tracing, dedicated tensor cores, NVIDIA DLSS, game ready and NVIDIA Studio drivers, NVIDIA app, NVIDIA broadcast, NVIDIA G-Sync, PCI Express Gen 5, Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, the Vulkan 1.4 and OpenGPL 4.6, HDCP 2.3, DisplayPort 2.1b with UHBR20 up to 4K 480 Hz or 8K 165 Hz with DSC, as specified in HDMI 2.1b up to 4K 480 Hz or 8K 120 Hz with DSC. Variable refresh rate and HDR. The ultimate platform for gamers and creators." The main reason I got this was so I could update the Rocky Linux script, right? Because I've been running an Intel B580 for a while. So I'm just going to get this opened up. That to the side. And here's our Zotac gaming box. There's that "To gaming and beyond" again. What's in this? Alright, we've got our Zotac sticker, the little robot on the front. And just some manual. Product registration, thank you, blah blah blah. Okay. And then it looks like a manual, how to connect your monitor, etc. And that's what you get. So you basically get a sticker and 2 manuals, and then the card itself. So let me move this out of the way. Card up. Does have a nice back plate to it. GeForce RTX. It says "remove before use," like some plastic on it. I'll set it this way. It does have 3 display ports and then our HDMI port on the end. And here's our fans. And the PCI Express lane does come covered with a plastic piece. Pull the plastic off here. I'm I'm going to get this plugged in, and then I'll run through the install on how to install Rocky Linux 10.2 with my install script.